This week, the Motorhead Garage crew finds a way to customize, personalize, and work from home. And undercoating just in time for winter. And we get another visit from Dr. Pasha Rudenko. Next on Motorhead Garage, presented by Top Coat.
Welcome once again to another edition of Motorhead Garage. Now, this is the series where we show off all kinds of really cool aftermarket stuff for your automobile. Speaking of cool, how about this automobile? It's a 1991 Toyota Supra, makes about 700 horsepower. It's great on the drifting track. We're going to show you that thing in action. It's made even cooler because of some things that are done by our friends at AP Lazer. They brought their machine. We'll show you some of its capabilities and some of the things it can do for your car, as well as some other projects you have, like maybe some wall art, like this door from a 1958 Chevy. Really cool stuff. Dan, you made this courtesy of AP Lazer.
Yeah.
What does AP Lazer do for your business there in Missouri?
Literally everything, from drinkware, car parts, cool personal objects, hot rod wall art, you know, just everything I do every day, all day long.
I've seen some photos of other projects that you have as well. You run the gamut of all kinds of different things. What are some of the more unusual things you end up engraving?
I've done stainless steel flowers. A buddy of mine does custom fabricating, and I did some really funky flowers that had different keywords throughout for a local radio station, and they're kind of like the monthly awards for them. And then we're going to end up doing a 8-foot stainless steel ball before long. That's going to be pretty interesting in itself. So,
how do you fit an 8-foot ball under an AP Lazer? How does that work?
Jokingly, he's talking about suspending it from a crane overhead. However, I think more realistically, we're going to cut it into sections prior to putting it together, and I'll just do it because it's going to be cut out letters that's going to have phrases and paragraphs on it, and then there's going to be some realistic photos put on there, and then it's going to all get put together. And
well, that's not a terribly unrealistic idea, raising it on a crane
Yeah.
because of the open architecture of the AP Lazer. Tell me how that works.
Well, the open architecture, like I've lifted my machine 10 inches so I can accommodate for larger objects, but like the 58 Chevy truck door, it comes with a really cool lift cart, and you can mock it in there, and as soon as you pull the electric base out, you can literally put anything, any size, shape. It's got 4-corner lifts, so you can adjust the head to whatever you need for awkward slopes like that door is contoured. You can make it do literally whatever you want.
And you can do whatever you want thanks to all the help you get from AP Lazer, right?
Right. AP Lazer is fantastic. They're just 24/7 tech support, a wealth of knowledge from all their staff, even the sales staff. You can contact any of them, and they'll try to help you as much as they can or set you in the right direction with where you need to go.
And if you want to go someplace else, see what some other folks are doing, what are some options there?
Well, they've got the Before You Buy page, so owners like myself can get on there and help those thinking about purchasing AP Lazer. But then the AP Lazer user group has got literally 1,000+ people on there that own lasers, that do different objects every day, and we help each other out. You can just, hey, how'd you do this? Hey, how'd you do this? What tips, what power speed settings, whatever. And there's a fantastic Facebook user group that everyone gets on after they purchase an AP Lazer to get all the help that we need.
Now, you've used other laser brands in the past.
Sure.
But you've upgraded to an AP Lazer.
Yes.
How much of an upgrade is it?
Tremendous. It's a night and day difference from any other brand on the market. The efficiency is fantastic. It runs actually faster than most other machines and still gets the absolute best quality of anything I've done in the history of my business. So,
show us some of the things that you've got here.
I got a set of small block Chevy valve covers. They're going to go on a 66 El Camino, dubbed the Hell Camino.
Perfect.
It's 500+ horse, and it's just a super awesome car.
This will make it even cooler.
Even cups, you can hook them up where you've got hot rod art on them, flames, skulls, whatever. You can do realistic pictures.
And we've got a cup actually brewing.
Yeah.
And let's see how that's coming off the laser. It should be just about finished.
Sure.
Looking pretty amazing already. Now, I notice it's sitting on the rollers there. What is that, and how does that work for you?
Well, that's our rotary device. With the AP Lazer, it comes as a turnkey package. So you come with the rotary to do cups and any kind of round objects, from little things like ink pens all the way up to something as big as a growler or a round cooler. So you could do literally anything on that.
Super versatile.
Baseball bats. Oh, yeah.
Incredible.
Yeah.
Oh man, that thing looks great and took hardly any effort from you. In fact, I know with your business, Han Custom Laser Engraving, you've been able to make a business out of this, and this is all you do thanks to AP Laser.
Oh yeah, I love working from home, and anybody can use it.
And you can hang out with your helper here, Avery.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
And she helps with the business too, so it's super simple to use.
Absolutely.
Excellent. Well, I love it, and you are going to love it too. You can check them out at aplaser.com/TV, and that's where you'll find a special discount for Motorhead Garage viewers. By the way, we're going to see this and a whole lot more coming up next on Motorhead Garage, presented by Top Coat. Stay tuned.